Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Kim with Vintage Vikings. And again, here we are on day 11 of the Advent calendars or 24 days of stationery, Christmas countdown, whatever you would like to call it. I've been getting a lot of messages on this box saying that it's maybe less than on the up and up. So I've started investigating from where I got this one. I'm not sure where this one came from as it was a gift, but this one I'm looking into where it came from so we can see why it's so different and kind of odd with some of the things that are showing up in our daily packets or envelopes or whatever you want to call those. So anyway, so we are going to start with the woodland themed one, and then we'll move into the 12 days of Christmas, or I call it the Nutcracker one. So let's see what we get today, which is December 11th. I hope you all are getting ready for Christmas or whatever holiday it is you celebrate. And I hope your preparations and your shopping and everything is going well. We have gotten a ton of snow and then rain, and then we're getting more snow now. So let's hope that some of it sticks for Christmas. That would be really nice. Let's see here. We are 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's go with 11. Sometimes in this light it's hard to see with this gold foil. So I will say that the quality of the little packets are a little better on this one. I like the pearl background. Well, let's just see. Oh, I was thinking maybe there was nothing in here. This looks like some page tabs. The little page marker, page tabs like you would use when you're in university where you're trying to keep track. Or, I mean, I guess you could, maybe we could, and they're plastic feeling versus a paper. They're very, yeah, they're almost like, they're real slippery plastic. So I'm not sure, maybe I could use them and make tabs. I guess you could write on them. Maybe they would be nice if I could maybe make a little tab. Let's just see if it'll stick to itself. Maybe we can, because I'm not sure glue is going to work so great on these. Maybe sticking it together like this on the end of a page and then putting a little eyelet through it here. I wonder if it's going to be tough enough for that. So we'll see. But it doesn't seem to want to stick to, oh, I think I have 2 of them, that's why. There we go. So we shall see. And again, I'm probably going to use all of this stuff in my junk journaling. And oops, I'm making a mess now. Well, as you can see, it was the little page tabs. All right, so I've also gotten some messages from some other people saying that they got this exact same box and their days as they're going through it aren't the same as what are in mine day by day. They're getting some of the same items, some things that I haven't seen yet, but they're not, like on day 1 and 2, they were not, none of them were the same. So we shall see. All right, so that is Francesca's box. We'll get rid of that one. And now let's take a look at Stephanie's box. What's funny is I like the box better on this one, but I do like the little envelopes or whatever you call these little booklets in the other one better. Okay, let's do number 11, and we are back to green. Let's see what craziness we get in here today. Okay, we look like we got another single piece of cardstock, double-sided cardstock with flowers on it and some lines on it. I thought it was going to be a little notepad, but nope, it's a single single piece of cardstock with lines on it. So I guess you can punch a hole in it and put a little tassel on it, or not quite sure what I'm going to do with this yet. But I will keep you all updated as to what I find out about this box. And we'll see what more I can find out about it. So far, I have not found anybody that found this box. They've only gotten Francesca's box. So I have no one to compare with yet on this one. So anyway, thanks for stopping in today. It is December 11th, and we are on the 11th day of the Christmas countdown, or advent calendar, or 24 days of stationery. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully you're going to have a nice warm cup of tea or hot cocoa and enjoy this winter season and getting ready for the holidays. Again, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by.